Thanks to our generous donor, I was able to put 25 containers for 25 Haitian girls for the sewing learning program in Haiti. And this is what the containers look like. They're overflowing, so I've had to tape them down. Each container looks like this to start, and I write what is it that is exactly in the container. Excuse my penmanship. And so each girl gets zero point 0.5 to 0.75 yards, one zipper, a cup, pencil sharpener, tape in a little jug. They actually go together. Well, I store these in the cup because the jug goes together. So that saves space in the container. And also, we have over here safety pins. I didn't have that much, that many pins, so the girls don't have as many, but each girl gets two bobbins, which isn't much either, but very helpful. It's a start. Pearls, and thread, soap. That's important to me to always keep the hands clean, especially while working. Two pair of scissors. Also, a small sewing kit. So this sewing kit here has enough for a beginner to start. It's from the dollar store. And we also have over here a pocket tissue, pencil, color pencil, and a pen. And each girl gets their very own sketchbook, and I actually wrote on each sketchbook. This one says, "May your path to success be well lit," and but those very cheap. Last but not least, each girl gets a plant. So I'll show it to you. This one is a strawberry. It's a small, easy grow. Each girl will have this at her desk. I'm very green, so and there are strawberries, tomatoes, very easy to grow fruits and veggies. There you have it.